In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Magic Eraser tool in Canva. If you've ever taken a great photo but wished you could remove one small distracting element, this tool is about to become your new favorite feature. Canva is known for being simple and beginner-friendly, but with Canva Pro, it adds a few powerful tools that make your edits look professional. The Magic Eraser is one of them. It lets you remove unwanted parts of an image almost instantly. No advanced design skills required. Before we start, make sure you're logged into a Canva Pro account, since this feature isn't available on the free version. Once that's set, we can jump straight in. First, open Canva and either create a new design or open an existing one where you want to edit an image. Then, upload or select the photo you want to work with. Click on the image and you'll see a toolbar appear above it. From that toolbar, click on Edit Photo. This opens Canva's photo editing panel, where you'll find options like brightness, contrast, and filters, but the one we're looking for is the Magic Eraser. You'll find it under the Retouch section. Once you click on it, your cursor will turn into a small circle brush. This is the part that does the magic. Now, simply brush over the object or area you want to remove. For example, if you have a random person walking in the background or an unwanted object on a table, gently drag your cursor over it. Canva will automatically detect and erase that part, blending it into the background. The size of the brush can be adjusted using the slider on the left, which helps you stay precise. For smaller or detailed areas, it's a good idea to zoom in so you can cleanly select the parts you want gone without touching anything important. After you've brushed over the unwanted area, wait a second for Canva to process it. You'll then see the object vanish as if it was never there. If the first attempt isn't perfect, don't worry. You can undo the action using the back arrow at the top, adjust your brush size, and try again. Sometimes it takes a second pass to get a seamless result, especially when colors or textures are similar. The Magic Eraser works best when there's a clear contrast between the object and the background. For instance, a person against the sky or an object on a plain surface. If your background is more complex, just take your time and make smaller strokes. Once you're happy with how it looks, click on Done in the upper right corner. Canva will save your edits automatically. From here, you can continue designing, add text, or apply filters to complete your project, and that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you can clean up any photo, remove distractions, and make your designs look polished and professional. If you're working on social media graphics, marketing materials, or even personal projects like invitations or posters, this tool can save you a lot of time and keep your visuals looking sharp. So next time you notice something in your image that doesn't belong, remember you don't need Photoshop or advanced editing software. Canva's Magic Eraser has you covered. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe for more Canva tips, and let me know in the comments what feature you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.